This lesson is all about how to improvise beautiful melodies, and this is actually super simple. It's not a difficult concept. You don't have to be an improviser or even an experienced piano player to do this. Recently, we've put some videos out with amazing left-hand patterns and arpeggios, and people have said, well, how do I improvise with my right hand? How do I copy what you did? So this lesson is to show you exactly how I improvise over a chord progression to create something lovely. So I'm going to give you my secrets. I'm going to tell you the chord progression that we're going to use for this is going to go A minor, F, G, E minor. So, you could do like a big rolling arpeggio, but just to make it simple so we can focus on our right hand, I'm going to have us go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just playing fifths in my left hand. And I'm going to play that progression on repeat. So A minor, F, G, and E minor. Now my right hand is just going to play the root note of the chord that I'm playing. I'm going to follow it. It's a good way to get started. It's not scary. Now we're going to play with some more of the chord tones. So what you can see I'm doing here, I'm playing the root note of the chord and the third. And already it's sounding lovely. Playing root, third, roots now. So now this time, let's try playing the third and the fifth. Noticing how it changes things. It's lovely. Now it's the simplest way to get started. These are notes that are guaranteed to sound good together. We're simply taking any of the tones of the chord that we're playing and are in our left hand, and we're playing them in whatever order or rhythm pattern we want in our right. So it's the best way to get started because you're not going to sound bad. Now, to become a little more brave, to explore a little bit more, let's try playing with the first 5 tones of the chord that we're in as we go. Now, you're going to see me mix and match this with some separate broken chords, just so you can see how when we change up our pattern and what we're playing, it adds a little bit of magic. So watch this. So let's walk up the scale. Sounds great, right? Now let's try broken chord notes. Now let's work in a bit of both. Descending. So now we're going to branch out even more and play any of the notes in any order that belong in the A minor scale. I'm not thinking about what I'm doing here. And if I play something I don't like, I just move on. There's a new chord I just threw in there because I felt like it. Let's get back on track. So A minor. These are just the notes of the A minor scale. And because we're in the key of A minor, they work beautifully. That's an arpeggio. And I'm not even moving, I'm just playing an A minor arpeggio here. So really, what you have there is a template for starting simple by playing just tones of the chord you're on, and then branching out to explore the whole key, the whole scale. Now this works so well because we're in the key of A minor. There's no sharps or flats, which means that all of the white keys are fair game, they're safe. So if you were to apply this to a different key, just keep in mind the notes that you might have in that key that would be sharp or flat, and apply it as you go. And then what will eventually happen is you'll relax and you'll begin to become curious, and you'll try playing more than one note at a time. You'll explore different rhythm patterns, you'll switch it up, and you'll end up with an improv that is uniquely your own. So I hope you enjoy exploring this. I would love to hear what you come up with, so feel free to share video links to your own creations below and have fun.